Let's talk a little bit about crystal care. So you see there's a bunch of polished stones. Here's some jasper, carnelian, sodalite, etc. And some of these polishes are very glossy and fine. And so you want to keep that polish, especially if it's a stone that you like to hold in your hand and rub. Other stones that you might have in your collection might be really rough, like a sandstone. It hasn't been polished. Actually, sandstone's pretty hard to polish. Or maybe even a little geode that's really rough on one side. So if you end up storing these, say in the same location like this bag here, the polished stones are gonna scratch and they won't be shiny and smooth anymore, and some of the finish is going to come off. Also, minerals and stones have different hardnesses. So for example, this one, selenite, I like to use this one for a crown crystal. It's very, very soft, and you can even see some nicks in it. Yeah, right there. And so you want to protect our stones. So I actually keep this one in a little baggie. I'm not a fan of keeping stones in plastic, but for some reason I end up resorting to it most often. Other things you can do is wrap your stone to keep something hitting it head on. And so here's an example of a wrapped stone. But I just made this little bag many years ago, and I keep my polished stones in here. I don't even keep these ones in there. Only my chakra stones go in here. And if I do put anything else in there that I'm called to bring, I'll wrap it in some cloth. So just keep in mind, again, that all minerals or stones have different hardnesses, and stones that are not polished will bang up against each other and might even break and chip your stone. So just be really mindful about how you store them.